Welcome back to my Rice Around the World Anti-Inflammatory Style. This week is episode 16. We are in Zambia and we are making vegetable rice. I will pair this rice with some jumbo shrimp. Will you try this at home?
Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Then add your onions, garlic, and tomatoes and let that saute for a few minutes until the onion is translucent. Now add your carrots. Next up, add your kale to the mixture. Now add your shredded cabbage to the mixture. I forgot to add the spices earlier, but you can add the spices now once all the veggies are in. Well, most of the veggies. At this point, start adding your green pepper, your orange pepper, your yellow pepper, red pepper, all of your bell peppers. Add those to the mixture. Now it's time to add your washed rice. Water to your mixer. I use boiling water or hot water to my mixer. I add about a cup or a cup and a half, not quite a half, but just enough. Now we add our green peas and our carrot. Then we cover the pot and let it cook for a few minutes. Well, actually about 20 minutes. Once the rice is in the mixture, cover and let that steam under low heat. After about 20 minutes of the rice and vegetable resting, you can start garnishing. Now it's ready to serve. You could serve your vegetable rice with any protein you like. I prefer to have some jumbo shrimp.
Well, now that it's done, let's give it a try.